I'm sure you've heard the news. Traveling to a new country can be an exciting adventure, but the process of getting a visa can sometimes feel like a daunting task. Visas can be an obstacle to your travel plans, often causing frustration and confusion, but don't let that discourage you. But don't worry, let's simplify it together. With the right information and a step-by-step approach, you can navigate the visa process smoothly and efficiently. Getting a visa doesn't have to be stressful. First, let's talk types. Understanding the different types of visas is crucial because each type has its own set of requirements and purposes. Whether you're going for leisure, which includes tourism and visiting friends or family, business, which might involve attending meetings, conferences, or negotiating deals, studies, which could range from short-term courses to full-degree programs, work, which includes both short-term assignments and long-term employment, or just passing through, there's a specific visa for you. Each type of visa has its own set of requirements and conditions, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Next, the requirements. Always start with a valid passport. This is your primary identification document when traveling internationally. Add recent photos, which should meet the specific size and format requirements of the visa application. Proof of travel plans, such as flight bookings and hotel reservations, financial statements to show you can support yourself during your stay, and sometimes health insurance, which is often required to cover any medical expenses during your trip. Check your destination's embassy website for exact details. Each country has its own specific requirements and procedures, so it's important to get the most accurate and up-to-date information. Now the documents. Gather everything: completed application form, passport, photos, travel itinerary, financial proof, and health documents. Make sure you have all the necessary documents before you start the application process. Double check for accuracy to avoid delays. Any mistakes or missing information can cause delays or even result in your application being rejected. Filling out the application is critical. Be meticulous. Take your time to ensure that all the information is correct and complete. Double check your passport number, dates, and all details. Even small errors can cause big problems, so it's worth taking the extra time to review everything carefully. Follow the embassy's guidelines precisely. Common challenges: insufficient documents, unclear travel reasons, or tight timelines. These are some of the most common reasons why visa applications are rejected, so it's important to be thorough and clear in your application. Research thoroughly and prepare to avoid these pitfalls. For a smooth approval, make sure you understand all the requirements and have all the necessary documents ready. Apply early, be honest, and provide all the required information. The earlier you apply, the more time you have to address any issues that might arise, and consider using a visa agency. They can provide valuable assistance and guidance throughout the process, helping to ensure that your application is complete and accurate. Keep your travel plans clear and follow up on your application status. Don't forget the fees. Visa fees can vary widely depending on the country and type of visa, so make sure you know how much you need to pay and what payment methods are accepted. They vary, so check payment methods and save your receipts. It's important to keep a record of all payments and receipts in case you need to provide proof of payment later. If an interview is required, prepare well. Review your application, be ready to discuss your plans, and dress professionally. The interview is your chance to explain your travel plans and demonstrate that you meet all the requirements for the visa. Be ready to discuss your plans and dress professionally. Processing times differ from days to months. The processing time for your visa can vary depending on the country and type of visa, so it's important to plan ahead and allow plenty of time for your application to be processed. Check embassy websites and plan ahead. Finally, post-approval. Understand your visa's terms, make copies, and keep them secure. Once your visa is approved, make sure you understand all the terms and conditions, and keep copies of all your documents in a safe place. Confirm entry requirements and pack your bags. Happy travels. Your adventure awaits. With your visa in hand, you're ready to embark on your journey. Make sure you have everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable trip. Remember, the key to a successful visa application is preparation and attention to detail. By following these steps and staying organized, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free process. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure. Traveling to a new country is an incredible experience, full of new sights, sounds, and flavors. With your visa secured, you can fully immerse yourself in the culture and make the most of your trip. Whether you're traveling alone or with friends and family, the memories you make will last a lifetime. So take the time to plan and prepare, and you'll be rewarded with an unforgettable adventure. Keep a travel journal to document your experiences and reflect on your journey. It's a great way to remember all the amazing places you've been and the people you've met along the way. Engage with the local culture, try new activities, and maybe even learn a few phrases in the local language. These experiences will enrich your trip and give you a deeper understanding of the place you're visiting. Use travel apps and resources to help you navigate and find the best local attractions. Technology can be a great tool to enhance your travel experience and make your trip more enjoyable. Don't forget to pick up some souvenirs to remember your trip by. Local markets are a great place to find unique items and support local artisans. Share your travel experiences with friends and family through social media. It's a great way to stay connected and share the highlights of your trip with loved ones. When you return home, take some time to reflect on your journey and all the amazing experiences you've had. Traveling can be a transformative experience, and it's important to take the time to appreciate and learn from it. And who knows, you might already be planning your next adventure. With the knowledge and experience you've gained, the process will be even smoother next time. Happy travels and safe journeys. The world is full of incredible places to explore, and with the right preparation, you can make the most of every trip. So go out there, see the world, and create unforgettable memories. Bon voyage!